How's it going?
Không lọc là biết một cái
đơn giản. Guys, I'm in Badal Dada right now. And I was told by my mother not to talk while walking because it will take all of your energies. And here I am laughing and talking. Okay, anyway, the view is so good. I can see Khandruk across the hill. So yeah, I already miss Khandruk. So much of a fresh air right now. I feel so much at peace. I wish I could settle in the mountains. I wish I could leave everything behind and just live here. Or too much to ask for? Okay, whatever. Nice view, you guys. It's getting closer, you guys. Okay, let's go. It looks like Stairway to Heaven. I mean, yeah, obviously Nepal is a heaven. It looks so good. Yeah, maybe. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hey guys, so we are all set to go. Yay! Hello. Hello. Hi guys, I finally reached the base camp. So this is the view. So mesmerizing. Look at the sunrise over there. Yeah. Nice.
ल हेरौँ त आनन्द हुँदो रहेछ
It feels like our face is going to fall off of our body, so we feel really cold. And we are here at tea shop. I got up there and waiting for our tea. Yeah, black tea 200, milk tea 250. Just walking, and then a person, he asked me, are you Japanese? He doesn't know Nepali at all, and he's a Bakani and I'm Korean, by the way. He thought maybe I was Korean. That's why he told me whiting, that means cheer up in Korean, and I replied the same. Okay. It's 3:13 p.m. and we are heading back to Sydney Village. Hi Didi. And we are waiting for 3 of our friends. 2 of them came and Dai is still not here. Anyway, look at the small waterfall. Didi is making fun of me. Guys, खुट्टा दुख्छ भनेर तातो पानीमा नुन हालेर मैले खुट्टा डुबाएर बसिरहेको छु. Yeah. Hey guys, so it's currently around 8:30 p.m. I reached home like 10 minutes ago, and I have washed my face And yeah, today morning we reached Mardi base camp and we just returned home just today. It was really hard to return on the same day, but such a memorable and fun day it was. So I've learned a lot of good things and met a lot of good people in this trip. I will always be thankful for this trip and I hope to go on more. Yeah, bye.